I also want to talk about how we navigate our screen so that we can see the z-axis like I have here. Because in general, all we see when we hop into AutoCAD is the XY axis. We can move around, but how do we change the rotation of things so that we can see the z-axis? There are a couple of ways. One way is very similar to how we pan across the screen, except we're going to add the shift key into the mix. So you're going to hold down the scroll wheel on your mouse, and you're going to move your mouse around. And this will allow you to kind of move around and see the z-axis, see different angles of your shape. Now, let's say you want to snap to a specific view of the shape, the top, the front, the right side. That's when this view cube on the corner will come into play. You can click on top and it'll snap to top. You can click on the side here where front is, and you'll snap to the front. Snap to the right side. You can even snap to the back, the bottom, or the left. You can snap to corners, edges of this shape, different perspectives to see what it's like. You can also click down on the scroll wheel, hold down while clicking, and move around to pivot like you would by hitting shift, clicking down on the scroll wheel, and moving your mouse. It's the same thing as clicking down on the corner of the cube, or a part of the cube, and moving your mouse around. Very similar. I like to mix in, hold down shift, control, and move your mouse. I do that generally, and then when I want to snap to specific views, I click on the view cube for that. Also, sometimes things will be kind of in the wrong orientation. That's when these arrows up top will come into play, because you can rotate things 90 degrees using those arrows, depending on which direction you would like to go in. So that's how we navigate our screen, so that we can see the z-axis, either by hitting shift, clicking down on the scroll wheel and moving your mouse, or utilizing the view cube, or like I do, a little bit of both.